Why is this pit in Yemen's desert called the Devil's Prison, and what exactly is hidden inside it? Is it some scenes recorded on Google Earth that may have never been seen before? From American drone strikes in Iraq to Israeli bombing in Gaza, some unique scenes and some that are difficult to describe. Today we are about to talk about 10 such locations on Google Earth. Viewers, the very first location on our list is in Algeria. At the site is in the Sahara Desert, where there is nothing but a sea of dunes far and wide. There stands a unique round structure on the sand whose history is unknown to anyone till date. Known as Ksar Draa, this structure is located in Timimoun, Algeria, where reaching requires a journey full of persistence and challenges. Is spread over a circumference of 35 meters and with walls 2 meters high. Whether this structure was a fort, a house, or an inn, it's quite difficult to determine. There are two walls. The outer one is made of stone and mud, while the inner one is just mud. The wall inside the walls of rooms can be seen, and for fresh air there are small windows, but these windows can only be seen in the inner wall. It is thought that thousands of years ago this might have been an inn for those travelers who crossed the Sahara on camels. For the second location, we have to travel to the desert of Yemen, where there is a 30-meter wide hole in the ground, which locals call the Devil's Prison or the Well of Hell. It is actually named the Well of Barhout. Passing by it emanates a foul odor that can make one feel sick. Until today, no one knew what was inside. But recently, some cave explorers decided to go inside. After descending 100 feet, they found snakes, dead animals, and cave pearls formed due to water dripping for thousands of years. The people living here do not like to pass by this well and do not talk about it. Now let's turn to the city of Mosul in Iraq, which is often targeted by American operations. In 2016 and 2017, the Battle of Mosul against ISIS was ongoing, in which the US military was attacking ISIS positions using MQ-9 Reaper drones. What's happening? One such attack was astonishingly recorded on Google Earth. Appeared in a picture taken on January 19, 2017, an MQ-9 Reaper can be seen over the Tigris River. The location where this drone will strike is indicated in the next satellite photo, which is on January 24, 2017. Taken at this exact location, two holes can be seen which were present before the drone passed. Was not there, and at the time this drone was seen passing here, a boat could be seen at the riverbank at the attack site, with some people standing nearby and a vehicle parked a little further away. In the picture from 19th January, only one hole is visible here, but this hole also appears to be fresh, because in the photo from 14 days earlier on the 5th of January, there wasn't a single hole here. Let's take you to an island where some unique spots have been recorded in satellite images. Northeast Africa's Apropio. In the country named Eritrea, there are indeed several hundred islands in the Red Sea. Among them is one small island which is 500 meters by 300 meters in size. Some strange spots can be observed unequivocally there. Or if we look at the other islands nearby, no kind of marks seem to appear here. So what are these spots in thousands only on this island? There is no population on this island right now, nor has there ever been in the past. After doing a lot of internet research, it was found that 5 species of turtles are found in the Red Sea. And when the turtle has to lay its eggs, it comes to the land, digs a hole and lays its eggs inside. Or because this island is free from any human activity, perhaps this is why turtles come here and dig their nests. Or the solar power station located in central Morocco is so large that Tor, the Nur solar power station is spread over a total of 4,500 acres. Two plants generate electricity from solar panels, while one is a concentrated solar plant. It has a very tall central tower whose shadow is also visible, and thousands of mirrors are installed around it. These mirrors adjust their positions with the sun and reflect sunlight onto the top of the tower. At the top of this tower, there is molten salt that heats up, drives a turbine, and then electricity is generated. It is the world's largest concentrated solar power plant, presenting quite a unique spectacle in satellite images. In this satellite photo captured in the year 2001, only fields are visible here. This is a special location in the city of Abbottabad, Pakistan. The next satellite image is from the 9th of May 2010, when many houses can be seen here. This was the house where Osama bin Laden had taken refuge. On the 2nd of May 2011, Osama bin Laden was killed in an operation here, and a satellite photo was certainly captured that day. However, it is quite blurred, so not many details are visible. This house was demolished immediately after the operation. The difference between before and after can clearly be seen. Today, many new houses have been built in this area, but this entire compound still remains empty. Is